We use Huddle for pretty much all of our live streaming right now. Right now we're limited to what we can live stream because of the cameras that we have. We have a camera on the football field, so anything that is played in Tiger Stadium can be recorded and live streamed. We have a camera that's permanently at that location, so volleyball games of all levels except for middle school because middle school doesn't play there. But JV, C-team, varsity, and then all of our boys and girls basketball games. What we're looking at is we're looking at kind of expanding what we can do because we only have those 2 camera systems right now that we're able to use for live streaming.
The live stream system isn't just for watching games, it is also a good tool for the teams that are playing.
So Huddle is used not for just live streaming. It records all of our games and also gives back analysis for like how our players are playing.
And the system's pretty intricate. It records our games for us, it follows the play. You can get a zoomed in look, you can get a zoomed out look. And then every Friday night right after a game, all the coaches get together, we watch film quick. Then on our own, obviously we're going through it several times because you want to learn from all of the things that you did wrong and all the things you did right and kind of coach to that for the next week, as well as using Huddle to scout teams for the next week too. I think Huddle is extremely important. I wish that kids would use it more than they do. I know that coaches use it a lot already. And I think even the fans are appreciating it with all the live streams that we have going on. It's kind of cool. I know that there's people that are fans that can't make it to all the games far away, but they still try and watch in due to our Huddle cams. That's pretty cool.
Even though the live stream system is a nice tool, there is still the issue with cost of service.
With those programs comes a pretty large cost for our school district. They're huge tools for our coaches to use, but it's several thousands of dollars. And that money has to come from somewhere, and it comes out of our athletic budget. And with those costs, which weren't there 7 years ago, 6 years ago, we haven't increased our budget. So we've lost some things as far as being able to get uniforms a little bit more often or just even more equipment for our teams.
To help with the cost issues, the school is now fundraising money through a brat sale.
Get your brats. Follow the link. We have those links out there for the district. I know it's kind of a local thing that we're pushing here, but if we can get our students to talk with some relatives and things like that, not in the area, and able to pick up those products for them and maybe hold on to them for those people so they can get involved with our fundraiser too. The fundraiser goes from April 1st to May 1st. We will be turning in all those sheets to the stockyard for us for them to produce those brats for us, and we'll have the distribution on May 14th. It's $6 per package of brats. The school district gets $2.50 back for every single one of those packages we sell. It's a great partnership with a local meat processing plant, and I'm really excited to be working with some local people on that.